Hi there. I'd like to share with you how I've been making a keto version of oyster sauce. It's a very important ingredient, oyster sauce, in Chinese cooking, as well as some of the other Asian cooking. So, but usually the store-bought ones are loaded with sugar, so I tried coming up with my own version. So quickly, I just want to show you the ingredients in case if you're not very familiar with them. The main ingredients for that gives that seafood flavor oyster is clam juice, and that's an 8-ounce clam juice, and I have an 8-ounce canned oysters. It's important that your oyster is just in water, maybe a little bit of salt, but not in oil. And then we have some salty agents, and also to provide umami flavor is fish sauce. It's a sugarless one. And here I have some shiitake mushroom that I pressure cooked for 30 minutes with 1.5 cups of water. And these are fresh shiitake mushrooms. You can also use dry shiitake mushrooms. I use about 5 pieces of the fresh shiitake mushroom, but generally speaking, maybe like 80 to 100 grams. And then here I have some tamari. And another feature with fish sauce is that it is quite sweet. So here I am going to be using a combination of erythritol and liquid stevia, and also to adjust the saltiness, I will also use some amount of salt, and to thicken things up at the end, depending on the reduction and how thick things are, I might use a little bit of xanthan gum. So that's it. If you have a keto kitchen, you might have many of these items. So let's get cooking.